Burj Al Arab is often called the world's only 7-star hotel, and it's easy to see why. This luxurious property offers unrivaled views of the Arabian Gulf, as well as a host of incredible amenities and services. From the moment you step inside, you'll be treated like royalty. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or a business destination that will impress your clients, Burj Al Arab is sure to exceed your expectations. Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Standing at an impressive 321 meters in height, it resembles the sail of an Arabian dhow and stands alone on its own artificial island, connected to the mainland by a private bridge. It's just a short drive from the city center and is surrounded by beautiful beaches and parks. The hotel is also conveniently located near popular attractions such as the Palm Jumeirah and the Dubai Mall. Inside, guests are pampered with a luxuriously furnished suite featuring an array of amenities like private butler service and fine dining options at one of 7 award-winning restaurants or bars. With typical Arabian hospitality, visitors can also enjoy a wide range of leisure facilities like a full-service spa and health club, plus access to one of the world's tallest outdoor observation decks. For those looking for something more adventurous, there are activities such as heli tours around Dubai or desert safaris, perfect for getting out and seeing all that Dubai has to offer. The hotel boasts a luxurious design both inside and out. Its exterior is fashioned in a sleek, modern style, with large windows providing beautiful views of the cityscape. The interior maintains a classic, sophisticated design, complemented by all the latest amenities. The fixtures and furniture have been carefully selected to ensure true luxury for each guest who visits the hotel. Each piece exudes elegance and grandeur. With its blend of contemporary and traditional accents, no one will ever forget their stay at the impressive hotel. Guests of Burj Al Arab Hotel can enjoy 5-star restaurants and luxurious facilities, including a private beach, wellness center, 27-hole golf course, infinity pool and multiple outdoor pools. Additional services offered include an on-site car rental service, airport transfer, currency exchange and complimentary bike rental. From the moment of arrival until checkout, each guest is treated to a superior level of friendly hospitality and state-of-the-art amenities. Adventure seekers can explore the Gold Souk or visit nearby landmarks such as Burj Khalifa, Burj Dubai Mall and Wild Wadi Water Park. Whatever guests seek during their stay, Burj Al Arab has something for everyone. The Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai is renowned for its extraordinary dining experience. Featuring 7 award-winning restaurants and bars, it's no surprise that this luxurious hotel attracts visitors from around the world. The list of culinary options available is sure to please even the most discerning palates. The hotel also has several fine dining options, including Al Mahara, which features an aquarium as its centerpiece, and Al Muntaha, which offers panoramic views of the city. At Burj Al Arab Hotel, guests can savor the flavors of Arabia, enjoy stunning views at Skyview Bar, and experience world-class dining in Al Iwan restaurant. Moreover, there are plenty of options for private dining experiences within the hotel's exquisite suites. Whether it's a romantic dinner or an intimate gathering with family and friends, Burj Al Arab Hotel offers unparalleled culinary experiences. With its sky-high standards of service, delicious cuisine, and stunning views over the Arabian Gulf, it's easy to see why this hotel is a favorite destination for gourmands and travelers alike. Burj Al Arab Hotel offers a variety of unique and luxurious accommodations for its guests, ranging from the exquisite one-room suite to an exclusive underwater room. The rate per night for a standard hotel room is slightly lower than that of the suite, but it still provides plenty of comfort and style. For those looking for an even more special experience, the underwater feature can be accessed with an additional fee. Regardless of preferred accommodation, each booking is subject to availability and can be arranged through our reservations team who are available 24 hours a day. The suites at the Burj Al Arab are truly one of a kind, with floor-to-ceiling windows, marble bathrooms, and state-of-the-art technology. The Royal Suite, located on the top floor, is the epitome of luxury, with a private elevator, a rotating bed, and a private cinema. After careful consideration and a thorough review of Burj Al Arab Hotel, my verdict is that it is definitely worth it. The beautiful design and amenities, high-end luxury service, and stunning views make Burj Al Arab stand out among other hotels. The staff were all courteous and accommodating and truly enhanced the already luxurious experience provided from top to bottom. With these great services in mind, Burj Al Arab Hotel should be an easy choice for anyone looking for their next holiday destination. The Burj Al Arab is one of the most iconic and luxurious hotels in Dubai. From its breathtaking design to its unrivaled amenities and services, this hotel offers guests an unforgettable experience. While room rates are not cheap, they are definitely worth it for those looking for a once-in-a-lifetime escape. So if you're searching for your dream hotel, be sure to check out goingvacations.com for the latest deals and discounts on the world's best accommodations. Book a stay at Burj Al Arab and experience the best of luxury living for yourself. You won't regret it. With goingvacations.com, you can get hundreds flights and hotels offers. Search for your dream.